Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from Algebra. Fx is 4 power x over 4 power x plus 2. X belongs to real number. Then we have to evaluate the sum. Let's say S it is f of 1 over 11 plus f of 2 over 11 plus f of 3 over 11 up to f of 10 over 11. So let's get it started by swapping our variable. I will replace x with 1 minus x. Let's see what will come out. F of 1 minus x. So I can replace x with 1 minus x in the numerator and in the denominator plus 2. Now we can use property from exponents a power b minus c. This will be equal to a power b over a power c. So I can write 4 divided by 4 power x over 4 divided by 4 power x plus 2. Now 4 power x cannot be equal to 0 because x belongs to real numbers. So I can multiply in the numerator and denominator by 4 power x. So in the numerator we can cancel 4 power x with 4 power x. It will be 4 over 4 plus 2 times 4 power x. Let's divide our numerator denominator by 2 also. So 2 over 2 plus 4 power x. So what we conclude from here, it is f of 1 minus x equal to 2 over 2 plus 4 power x. Let us say this is our equation number 2 and fx was our equation number 1. Now I will add both 1 and 2. So I can write f of x plus f of 1 minus x. This will be equal to 4 power x over 4 power x plus 2 plus 2 over 4 power x plus 2. Now I can take denominator common, 4 power x plus 2, and numerator will become 4 power x plus 2. So we can cancel these two terms. So our RHS finally will become 1. So I can write f of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to 1. Let's use this result for our sum calculation. So I will write our S sum as f of 1 over 11 plus f of 2 over 11. Last term is f of 10 over 11. Now I will club first and last, second and second last, third and third last f value like this, 1 over 11 plus f of 10 over 11. Then we can write f of 2 over 11 plus f of 9 over 11. Similarly, f of 3 over 11 plus f of 8 over 11. Similarly, we can write f of 4 over 11 plus f of 7 over 11. And the last combination will be f of 5 over 11 plus f of 6 over 11. Now I need to only write 10 over 11, 9 over 11, 8 over 11, 7 over 11 and 6 over 11 in the form of 1 minus x. Like 10 over 11 is 1 minus 1 over 11. 9 over 11 is 1 minus 2 over 11. Similarly, 8 over 11 is 1 minus 3 over 11. And 7 over 11 will be 1 minus 4 over 11. And 6 over 11 will be 1 minus 5 over 11. Let us write here. So I can write S equal to f of 1 over 11 plus f of 1 minus 1 over 11 plus f of 2 over 11 plus f of 1 minus 2 over 11. In the same way, I will write our last combo. It will be f of 5 over 11 plus f of 1 minus 5 over 11, which will be 6 over 11. So each bracket will be 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1. Overall, 5 combinations will be there. So I can write addition will be 5. So our final answer will become 5. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next video, goodbye.